You see? That is the last piece. You see from down? I make all three the same. All three I make like that.
Put them together.
And then I use that one here, that is the glue. It's gold. It's, if I have 18 karat, I use a glue for 16 karat gold. That means when I put the fire on it, it will be like a water more quickly than these pieces. So the two pieces of gold, they are coming together. I make three like this, three the same, and I close it all together. And after I use one of these that is also gold, but I make it also by myself, I cut it with the same way like the glue, I put it here. And then we start polish the gold. I will polish one bracelet